Hey, this is Mr. Barr. I'm going to do the edulastic, which is solving systems using substitution. So I have my notebook out, got my pencils, do all the problems in your math notebook, solve each system using substitution, write down the original problem. So show your work, check your answers. So we've got 10 of these to do, so let's do them. So y equals -6. Negative 9x minus 5y equals -15. So I'm going to take this y, I'm going to substitute it in right there. So negative 9x plus 30 equals -15. Subtracting 30 from both sides, so negative 9x equals -45. Dividing both sides by -9, x equals 5. So 5 comma -6. That was number 1. Number 2, y equals -3, x plus 3y equals -19. Taking the y, putting it right there. So x minus 9 equals -19. So x equals, adding 9 to both sides, -10. -10 comma -3. Number 3, -5x plus 7y equals 9, and y equals -3. So I'm going to take that -3 and plug it in right there. -5x minus 21 equals 9. -5x equals, adding 21 to both sides, equals 30. Dividing both sides by -5 equals -6. So -6 comma -3. Number 4. All right, so I'm going to just start by, it's y equals x plus 2, y equals 2x plus 9. Set them equal. X plus 2 equals 2x plus 9. Subtracting x from both sides gives me an x. Subtracting 9 from both sides gives me a -7. X equals -7, plugging it in right there. Y equals -5. -7, -5. On to 5. Y equals 4x plus 8. Y equals x minus 1. Set them equal. 4x plus 8 equals x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides gives me 3x. Subtract 8 from both sides gives me -9. Dividing both sides by 3 gives me -3. There's my x. Let's go get the y. Y equals -3 minus 1, which is -4. Let me turn my lights back on. So -3, -4. Number 6. X equals -8. Y equals -4x plus 7y equals -3. Taking that -8, plugging in right there. -4 times -8 is +36. Plus 7y equals -3. Subtracting 36 from both sides gives me 7y equals -39. 39 divided by 7? It's 5.5. Where did I lose this? Because this is a 32. Adding 32 to both sides, subtracting takes me to a 35. which takes me to a y equals -5. So -8, -5. Let's check our answers. Number 7. Y equals -5x minus 2. Y equals 3x minus 10. Set them equal. -5x minus 2 equals 3x minus 10. Adding 5x to both sides gives me 8x. Adding 10 to both sides gives me 8. So x equals 1. Let's take that x equals 1 and we'll put it right there. So y equals 3 times 1, so y equals 3 minus 10, so y equals -7. So 1 comma -7. Number 8. Y equals 9x plus 10, y equals -x minus 10, set them equal. 9x plus 10 equals -x minus 10. Let's add x to both sides, that gives me 10x. Let's subtract 10 from both sides, that gives me -20. Divide both sides by 10, x equals -2. And we'll plug that in right there. So -2 is 2 minus 10, y equals -8. -2 comma -8. -2, -8. Number 9. (10x minus 10), that's y equals y, and y equals 2x plus 6, set them equal. So 10x minus 10 equals 2x plus 6. Subtracting 2x from both sides gives me 8x. Adding 10 to both sides gives me 16. X equals 2. Let's take that and put it right there. Y equals 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 6. Y equals 10. So 2 comma 10. And number 10. Y equals x minus 3. Y equals -x plus 7. So x minus 3 equals -x plus 7. Let's add x to both sides. That gives me 2x. Let's add 3 to both sides equals 10. So x equals 5. Let's put that right there. 5 minus 3 is 2, so y equals 2. 5 comma 2. There it is, all done. 100%. Thanks for watching.